have an update on the case of the Charlottesville man charged with vandalism for creating a makeshift crosswalk at a city intersection. A general district court judge decided to take the matter under advisement. Kate Nectarline has the details on what comes next for the 72-year-old defendant. It's our top story at 5.
The judge's ruling means that Cox must complete 90 days of good behavior and then he must pay the city a restitution of $600. But Cox and his attorney say they are not agreeing to that just yet.
I have mixed feelings.
Kevin Cox, the longtime pedestrian safety advocate, and his attorney Peter Frazier say they disagree with parts of the judge's ruling and are considering all options.
I did not deface the street, and that was what this hinged on.
The judge said differently on Thursday morning and ruled that because the chalk lasts for up to 3 weeks, there was enough evidence to find Cox guilty of defacing city property, enough to convict him of a lesser charge because the prosecution did not prove the intent. But saying he wanted to avoid convicting Cox of a criminal charge, the judge agreed to take the matter under advisement. That means it will be dismissed if Cox agrees to pay that restitution. In a statement sent to 29 News, Charlottesville Commonwealth's Attorney Joe Platania said in part, a dismissal upon payment of restitution seems a just and reasonable outcome for all involved.
It's going to be a bite for sure, but I have a lot of supporters who have helped me with my GoFundMe account.
One of those supporters, Bill Mitchman, has known Cox for 25 years.
He's not a wealthy man. He's gone his whole life in this area that I've known him for his whole time, trying to help people. And that's what he was trying to do there.
The fact that Kevin's supporters are all here and that we have drawn attention to this issue, frankly, has achieved Kevin's purpose.
In a statement, city spokesperson Afton Schneider says they appreciate the court's consideration. In her words, the city will continue to fund appropriate, legal, and well-thought-out infrastructure projects to improve the experience and safety for all residents. The judge will issue a final order in October. Cox's attorney says they are considering appealing the case. In the meantime, Cox says he will continue his crosswalk advocacy. Can we expect 90 days of good behavior from you?
No.
Cox says if he could, he would do it all over again.
Absolutely. Although I'd try to hold the spray wand a little steadier so the lines were straighter.
Kate Nectarline, 29 News.